After all. Nope, it was another guy. you call that?
Well, that's just freestyle. Okay, I love it. Great job, Clyde. You did an excellent job performing it. Okay, are you ready? Okay, come on, Clyde. You can do this. I know you can. You're going to do the same thing that SeaWorld did. You are going to jump up and over that rubber bar, and I know that you can do it. Are you ready? Go. Annie's on. Watch this, everybody, all the way up. Hold on here. Excellent job, Clyde.
All right, everyone, it is time for Tribal Council. Who will be voted off the island, Clyde or Seymour? Will the jury please cast their vote now? Let me remind everybody, the word of the jury is final, and the person going home today must leave the island immediately.